Channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm basically showing you guys my hair and my makeup. This is a twist out that I just did. I already have a video up on how I did this hairstyle. If you guys want to see how I got this whole entire look, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel first, and let's just go ahead and hop right into this. Guys, so to start this video, I'm just going to take down my hair, and I did a twist out. This is what my hair is looking like. I already have a video on how I did this twist out, so it'll probably be out before this video. But I'm just using some tea tree oil. I'm gonna put it like all over my hair first. So this is what my hair is looking like with me taking my twist down. I already did my brows. I used the Morphe brow pencil in Java, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me in 30 Cafe to just like seal my brows in place. I used the Morphe translucent brow gel. I'm basically just getting ready for like a Christmas party. My aunt is hosting at her house. I've been begging for someone in my family, at least my mom, to like do a Christmas party, because we don't never do stuff like that. Like everybody else always have Christmas parties that I know of, and we don't never have stuff like that. So I be wanting to do stuff like that because that's fun, you know, just being around each other and stuff. Just put on like some primer, just using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. We don't never have Christmas parties, you know, like that. Not even like New Year's parties. We always go to church or something. When I get older, things gonna change because I don't have a party every year. I'm actually gonna use the Video Lumi Layer Primer, like a luminizing primer, and I just put it like on my highlighted areas. So it just like adds that little natural shine. We're gonna do it different today because I normally do my eyes first. So today we're gonna do our face first. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but yeah, so I'm just using that foundation. I put a thin layer on first. Every time I do foundation, I always just do one layer. Use a sponge first because just to put the product everywhere. I got this brush from, I think, TJ Maxx. They had like a full box set for like $9.99. This is the ultimate buffing brush, and it's like the best brush that I have ever put my hands on. It just literally blurs the foundation or like whatever you're using it for in like skin light. When I went to Florida, I got like all the Morphe stuff, especially like the brow stuff. I went to their mall. I can't even remember what mall it was, but I went to the mall and had a Morphe store. You know, where I live, we don't have a Morphe store. We either have an Ulta or we have a Sephora. But anyways, I went to the Morphe store and I got me a concealer because I needed another concealer. And this concealer is really, really thick and really full coverage. And it's their concealer in C415. And I'm just gonna put this in my concealed area. But this is like a really, really thick consistency. Good for like priming your eyelids too. But it will keep your makeup in like place all day. I'm taking more of the same concealer and I'm just gonna prime my eyelids. I'm taking the Morphe setting sponge, Maybelline Fit Me loose face powder, and I'm just going to set my face. Now for bronzer, I'm just going to be using the Ulta Beauty finishing powder, and this is in the shade Deep Cool. I'm just gonna clean up my setting powder. So onto blush, I'm just going to be using the Tarte blush. For highlighter, I'm using the IBY Beauty highlighter. Alright, so onto the eye, just going to be using the James Charles palette. I just use like the brown color, the brown shade. Just going in with like this like burnt orange shade. It's like one of the big shades in the middle of the palette if you guys are familiar with the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna take like this really dark brown and put it like in my outer corner. Now I'm just going back in with that orangey brown shade, and I'm just blending that in at the top just to make sure that it's blended. Blending brush, I'm just gonna blend in those two shades together, and it has nothing on the brush, just like the regular shade colors that's being blended now. Going back in with that same concealer, I'm just going to make like a cut crease. this peach shade in the palette, and I'm just going to put that right on top of my lid. Well, since I don't really like this little white stuff up here, I'm just gonna put some glitter on top. And brush that I used, I'm just adding some glitter. I'm gonna finish my eyes. All I'm doing is just basically putting the glitter on top of the white part that I tried to do. I'm just gonna finish my eyes and come back to you guys for the final result. All right guys, so I'm back and this is my final look. For my lips, I just used this lip liner by Elizabeth Arden and it's in the shade from Voice 08 and the NYX Butter Gloss. Then I added some like glitter chunks. This is by Fluttered by Rose. This is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me, you guys want to see more get ready with me's from me, then make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below for more videos, and if you guys stayed all the way to the end and you have not subscribed already, then please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you stayed this far, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for all your love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.